Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick DIY tutorial. Like, it's so quick. So I'm going to be covering up the slippers. So I decided to add this fabric to it, and it turned out really nice. So let's get our intro in and get started with this amazing DIY project. So guys, for this you're going to be needing the slippers you'd like to cover, fabric pieces, then this glue right here. So you can use this glue, you can use Evo stick, and then you would need your measuring tape. So now guys, the first thing you're going to do is measure around the top part of your slippers. So whatever you have on your slippers, just measure it and then add seam allowance to it, then measure it across as well. So just like this, measure it and add your seam allowance to it as well, then sew it all around the four edges. Can you guys see what I've done here? I've sewn it all around the four edges. Now you don't need to fold it twice because it's going to be under basically. So that's what I did right here, and I'm just going to place it on my slippers just like this. So guys, I'm going to take my glue right now and then get busy. So I'm going to put my glue on my fabric. Now make sure it's not too much so that it doesn't start showing on the other side, and then place your piece on the rightful spot on your slippers. So just spread it around just like this and place it on your slippers. So guys, can you see what I'm doing right here? There was a little bit of excess, so I'm just going to fold it in just like this. Be careful guys so that it doesn't look messy. So just fold it in and that's it. Do the same thing for the other piece and then just glue it right there. So for this wider part of the slippers, I'm going to use this Ashoke piece. It's a beautiful Ashoke piece. I love the colors, like it's this color changing kind of Ashoke, so I loved it. So I just put my glue right there after cutting it based on the measurements, and then I glued it onto my slippers. Now guys, that's all. That's like all you need to do, and this is what the slippers looks like in the end. It's so beautiful guys. It's so nice. I love how it shines. I love how it's amazing basically. And that's it guys. So this is the comparison. This is what it was before and this is what it is now. I love it. I love it. It's amazing and cute and beautiful. So guys, I hope you love this DIY project. Now if you try out this DIY, please send it to me on Instagram. Tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations, and I'll be ready to share your work with my followers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. We are growing on this channel like amazingly. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, comment in the comment section. It helps with my engagement level. I always respond to every comment on my channel. Tell me what else you would like me to make, what other tutorials you would like me to do, and I'll be ready to work with your ideas. And yes, that's all I have for this video. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.